Hi everyone, I'm Nina Ameri, entertainment attorney and founder of Ameri Law. We help producers and creators get projects made safely and legally, from production agreements, clearances and deliverables to insurance, talent and location releases, right of publicity, and crisis response when things go sideways. If you're producing reality or documentary content with sensitive partners, today's story is a wake-up call. New York City is suing the producers of the reality series Behind the Badge, saying they refused to remove prohibited footage in violation of their agreement, and the city is moving to block the show's release. According to reporting, the lawsuit claims producers kept sensitive material even though the contract required its removal. The city argues the terms were clear, so failing to comply is a breach. Hence the push for an injunction to stop distribution until the contract is honored. This isn't just a creative disagreement, it's a deliverables and approvals issue with real legal teeth. When partners are government agencies or law enforcement, stakes are even higher. Policy, privacy, and reputational concerns are embedded in the paperwork. Here's why this matters and why it's a production legal lesson. Deliverables aren't suggestions, they're obligations. If the agreement says remove a clip or get a specific approval, treating that as an edit choice is risky and can trigger recuts, damages, or a fast trip to court for an injunction. Government partners come with heightened obligations, additional privacy constraints, review rights, and content carve-outs, so a single misstep can stall an entire season when you're inches from the finish line. And disciplined clearance work always pays for itself. Drafting the clearance memo early, making sure appearance and location releases match the actual footage you plan to air, and tracking restricted content in real time. It'll keep you out of last-minute chaos and expensive do-overs. As an entertainment lawyer, I see preventable production landmines all the time. Here's the checklist that this case highlights. 1, paper the rules early. Bake the city agency's content restrictions, approval timelines, and removal protocols into the production agreement and vendor deals. 2, run a deliverables playbook. Maintain a living deliverables matrix so you can always check what's restricted, who must approve it, and the deadline to cut or blur. 3, use cure windows wisely. Include cure periods and escalation paths for disputes so you fix problems before you face an injunction. 4, keep E&O aligned with reality. Confirm your E&O coverage actually contemplates filming with government partners and any specific carve-outs they require. This is where Ameri Law goes deep on production legal, so your show doesn't stall in legal purgatory. We negotiate production agreements and city or agency deals with the right approval rights, restricted content clauses, and review procedures for public sector partners. We design clearance workflows, clearance checklists, chain of title, appearance and location release systems that keep your edit legal and your schedule intact. And when a disagreement threatens to blow up delivery, we set up the corrective path that gets the project back on track before the injunctions start piling up. Behind the Badge is a cautionary tale. Even a finished show can be stopped if production legal obligations weren't followed to the letter. If your project involves sensitive partners, law enforcement, or high-risk footage, engineer compliance from day one. If you want your series to reach audiences without legal detours, let's talk production legal so you can focus on storytelling while we handle the guardrails.